Hi children, good morning. Yesterday you learnt about formation of shadow. Today we discuss properties of shadow. Properties. Otherwise we can call it as characteristics. What are the characteristics of a shadow? Characteristics of shadow. As you know very well, a shadow is formed on the screen if an opaque object like a man is placed in front of the source of light. Is it or not? See, here source of light is there, here a person is there, the shadow is formed on the screen like a wall, etc. Okay, Nana? So what are the characteristics of a shadow? Already we know shadow gives only outline of the object, means it gives it gives shape of the object, it gives shape of an object. First point. Okay. And if for example one black person and white person both are are stood in front of the bulb, the shadow for both the persons are dark only, no? Is it or not? White person shadow is dark only, black person shadow also dark only. So we can't recognize the color of the object, means shadow doesn't give as it is color of the object anamata. It doesn't show actual color of the object. Okay. And even though the person is 150 centimeters or 160 centimeter, means 5 feet or 6 feet, but based on the position of the source of light and the position of the screen, that size will be increase or decrease. See, we know the size of the marker is this much, like 15 centimeter. Okay, Nana? For example, 15 centimeter is the length of this marker. But see here on the screen, see, Nana? This much length, nearly 25 centimeter is it is showing on the screen. Is it or not? So the actual size of the object also it doesn't give information. So I add here on a point, it doesn't show actual color and size of the object. That's nice. Okay. Next, third point, actually the shape of the object is different. See, Nana? Already you know very well, on the screen we can see it is a shape of a dog, etc. It is seems to be a shape of the dog, but actually I am showing with my hand only, no? So what we can say, a shadow means it may or may not resemble, may not resemble అంటే similar అన్నమాట. May or may not resemble the shape of the object, the shape of the object అంటే same, resemble means similar. Okay, that object may be really dog means okay, but it is not actually a dog, no? Is it or not? And we can do that, what we call, I don't know properly, that fish shape, etc. Okay, the shape is different, the shadow is different, object is different. That's why we can say that shadow may or may not resemble the shape of the object. These are the properties of shadow, Nana. Okay, so you have to pause the video and note it down these points, Nana, in the rough notes. That's it. Okay, Nana? Rough notes means homework book anamata. Okay. And that next concept is umbra and penumbra. Okay, what is meant by this umbra and penumbra means these are the two parts of a shadow, Nana. These are the two parts of a shadow. Means a shadow contains two parts anamata. Two parts. Those two parts only, umbra and penumbra. What are those umbra? Umbra is a డార్క్ రీజియన్ అనమాట, డార్క్ రీజియన్ ఆఫ్ షాడో, డార్క్ రీజియన్ ఆఫ్ షాడో. పెనంబ్రా, పెనంబ్రా ఇట్ ఈజ్ లైట్ డార్క్ అనమాట, లైట్ డార్క్, లైట్ డార్క్ రీజియన్. ఓకేనా, దాన్ని మనం పార్షియల్ డార్క్ అని కూడా అనొచ్చు, లైట్ డార్క్, అదర్వైజ్ పార్షియల్ డార్క్, పార్షియల్ డార్క్ రీజియన్, పార్షియల్ డార్క్ రీజియన్ ఆఫ్ షాడో. Sir, what is this one? Shadow means already you told dark region. But again, what is this umbra penumbra means? Yes, the best example. See, not always, but sometimes, every time only. See, for example, my hand is this one. Okay, if you observe with the shadow, definitely that outer region. For example, see, I am showing one image. Seen in this large light source అంటే ఒక బల్బ్ ఉంది, అండ్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ దట్ బల్బ్ సంథింగ్ ఆ బాల్ ఏదో అనుకోండి, వన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఈజ్ కెప్ట్ హియర్. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ ఇమేజ్ ఈజ్ ఫార్మ్డ్ ఆన్ ద, ఇమేజ్ మీన్స్ వాట్, షాడో. ద షాడో ఈజ్ ఫార్మ్డ్ ఆన్ ద సర్టెన్ స్క్రీన్ అనమాట. దట్ స్క్రీన్ మే బి వాల్ ఆర్ ఎనీ సంథింగ్ అనమాట. ఓకే, సో in this dark region, in the middle of the shadow is very dark. See here, deep shadow, but outer layer is partially dark. Okay, we can observe in the daily life also. So the two regions are what we call umbra and penumbra. Umbra and penumbra means here source of light is there. For example, sun, sun is there. Here moon, it is sun, it is moon, means what we call, what I am drawing, eclipse. I am drawing eclipse anamata. This is earth. As you know very well, the light rays of the moon, light rays of the moon fall on the earth. See, here we can observe these two rays. Here dark region will be there, and here this part means here this, here we can see this is dark, no, umbra, this is umbra. Here we can observe penumbra, penumbra. Okay, so this is about umbra and penumbra of the shadow. Okay, children, so with this concept, complete information about the shadows is completed. Okay, Nana? So based on this one, this penumbra and umbra, we can observe this eclipse. Okay, Nana? And again we will discuss about eclipse clearly. Okay, Nana? So today I have to finish the reading part up to shadows formation.